Now I'm going to read this book. One day, Henny Penny was picking up a corn in the farmyard when Buck an acorn fell and hit her on the head. "Oh dear me," said Henny Penny, "the sky is falling down. I must go and tell the king. I must go and tell the king." Off she went and looked first the pig. Off she went down the road and on the way met Cocky Locky, who said, "Good morning, Henny Penny. Where are you going this fine day?" "I am going to tell the king that the sky is falling," said Henny Penny. "A piece of it fall on my head." "May I go too?" asked Cocky Locky. Henny Penny answered, "Come along," and they set off together to find the king. They went past trees and past houses, and soon they met Ducky Lucky waddling down the dusty road. "Good morning, Henny Penny and Cocky Locky," said Ducky Lucky. "Where are you going this fine day?" "We are going to tell the king that the sky is falling," said Henny Penny. "A piece of it fell on my head." "May I go to Ducky Lucky?" asked. "Come along then," said Henny Penny, and they set off together to tell the king. They passed a man on a horse and a man with a dog, and soon they met Goosey Loosey hurrying along down the rusty road. "Good morning, friends. Where are you going this fine day?" asked Goosey Loosey. "We are going to tell the king is falling the sky. Piece of it fall on my head." "May I go with you?" asked Goosey Loosey. "Come along then," said Henny Penny, and they set out to find the king. They went through a gate and behind a crunch, and soon met Turkey Lurkey come along down the dusty road. "Good morning. Where are you going?" asked Turkey Lurkey. "We are going to tell the king that the sky is falling down," said Henny Penny. "A piece of it fall on my head." Turkey Lurkey asked, "May I go too?" Like this. Like this. Ouch! It hurts. Turkey Lurkey and Turkey Lurkey asked, "May I go too?" Henny Penny said, "Come along then," and they went together to find the king. They crossed a bridge and went over hills, and soon met Foxy Loxy coming down the road. "Good morning," said Foxy Loxy. "Where are you all going this fine day?" Henny Penny answered. "We are on our way to tell the king that the sky is falling. A piece of it fell on my head." And lift it. may I go too? Asked Foxy Loxy. Henny Penny said, come along then. And they set out together to find the king. Suddenly, Foxy Loxy stopped in the middle of the road and said, oh dear me, this isn't the best way to the castle. Castle. I know much shorter route. Would you like me to show it to you? That would be very kind of you, Foxy Loxy. With said Henny Penny, Cocky Locky, Ducky Lucky, Goosey Loosey, and Turkey Lurkey. Foxy Loxy's den and the castle there and Foxy Loxy. They all went along together to tell the king that the sky was falling. Look the page. They went past trees and more trees, and finally they came to a dark hole where Foxy Woxy lived. But he did not tell them so. Foxy Woxy said, here is the shortcut to the king's castle. We'll soon get there. If you follow me, I'll first you and you come after me, one at a time. Turkey Lurkey, Goosey Loosey, Ducky Lucky, Cocky Locky, and then Henny Penny. Foxy Woxy led the way into his hole and waited for them to follow. And they did just as he told them. Turkey Lurkey went in first, and he had not gone very far before Foxy gobbled him up. Goosey Loosey went in next, and she had not gone very far before Foxy Loxy gobbled her up too, and licked the page. Ducky Lucky went next. He had not gone very far either before Foxy Woxy gobbled up as well. Then Cocky Locky went in, but as soon as he saw Foxy Woxy, he realized that had happened and called out the Henny Penny very loudly. Henny Penny ran home as fast as she could. And so Henny Penny never got to tell the king that the sky is falling after all. So now my story is over, but first I'm going to show you my page here. And also this one. So now my story is over, but you also get this book. Look. And hope you like my stories. Thank you. Sundays with Radha.